Welcome back to the channel, everyone! Today I want to introduce you to an extremely unique and somewhat striking member of the plant world, the Stapelia gigantea plant. Despite its challenging appearance and smell, Stapelia gigantea is an easy-to-grow succulent that is often sought after by enthusiasts who love the eccentric and unusual. The name might sound unfamiliar, but this plant is famous for its nickname, the giant starfish flower, or sometimes jokingly called the carrion flower. Why these names? True to its name, when in bloom, the flower is massive. It can grow up to 40 centimeters across, looking like a pale yellow, cream starfish with red or brown stripes, and the surface is covered in fine hairs. The special and defining trait of this flower is its scent, which is far from pleasant. To attract flies and wasps, its main pollinators, the flower emits an odor very similar to rotting meat. Stapelia gigantea is native to southeastern Africa and adjacent regions in Africa, including countries such as Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. The most outstanding feature of Stapelia gigantea is its large flower, which can reach 30-40 centimeters in diameter, shaped like a five-pointed starfish. The flower is yellow and reddish-brown, with prominent veins and a wrinkled petal surface, along with long, fine hairs along the edges of the petals. This structure makes the flower look very much like raw meat or a decomposing carcass. Pollination attraction mechanism, carrion mimicry syndrome, sapromyophily. Stapelia gigantea flowers emit a strong foul odor, similar to rotting meat or a dead carcass. This scent is an evolutionary strategy to attract pollinating insects. These foul-smelling flowers, including S. gigantea, are primarily pollinated by flies and beetles. These insects are deceived by the scent and appearance, thinking it is a place to lay eggs and find food. When a fly lands on the flower to investigate, pollen in the form of pollinia packets sticks to its body. The fly then carries the pollen to another flower, inadvertently completing the pollination process. Although the flower has the appearance and odor of a meat trap, Stapelia gigantea is not a carnivorous plant. This behavior is merely a mimicry mechanism to attract pollinators. The flies and beetles are deceived, but are neither captured nor digested by the flower. This is a wonderful example of adaptation in nature. Like many desert plants, Stapelia gigantea has the ability to store water in its stems, helping it survive prolonged dry periods. The plant prefers bright light and grows best when receiving at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. If grown indoors, it should be placed near a sunny window. Lack of light will result in poor flowering. It requires loose, extremely fast-draining soil, similar to the sandy, gritty environment in nature. Water-retaining soil easily causes root rot, so a specialized cactus potting mix is ideal. Water is needed very sparingly, and only when the soil has completely dried out. The plant requires a certain period of dryness to stimulate flowering. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us on this fascinating journey to explore the mysterious and unique carrion flower, the Zulu Giant Stapelia gigantea. We have seen that behind its humble, succulent appearance lies an incredibly sophisticated survival and pollination strategy. With its giant starfish-shaped flower and a charming scent reserved exclusively for flies, Stapelia gigantea is a vivid testament to the limitless creativity of Mother Nature. If you found this information interesting and helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming fascinating content. Goodbye for now, and we look forward to seeing you in our next discovery.